Samsung Galaxy M31s is a viable option for users who are looking for a decent performer under 20K. Its impressive quad-camera setup, powerful 6GB RAM, massive storage space and robust battery capacity with fast charging functionality makes it a really amazing deal for the tech lovers out there. The Samsung Galaxy M31s has a 6.5-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display along with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 405 pixels per inch, offering brilliantly vivid cinematic experience to its users. The bezel-less display of the device features a punch-hole design. Galaxy M31s features a quad-camera setup with a 64MP f1.8 wide-angle primary camera with XMOR RS CMOS sensor and 10x digital zoom supported by a 12MP f2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens. Samsung Galaxy M31s boasts a massive 128GB internal storage space, which can be expanded up to 512GB. The battery capacity of the smartphone stands at 6000 mAh, equipped with 25W fast charging technology, ensuring higher productivity with extended usage.